2024. This will be at milepost 15.61. That's 15.6.
We're sending you a double out of 17. I'll hold up behind that and make it right.
Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.